Alright, 2006 Expedition. I've not seen a video for this at all. Maybe it's just a weird truck I have. But removing this lower ball joint, this flange here on my old ball joints, which I haven't gotten this one out yet, comes all the way out to the edge of this flange here. So there's nothing for this to bite onto. There's no way to leverage it to press this thing out. I've tried to beat on it. So what I did was I cut a piece of the original, if I can get this right, of the original flange out like that, to give me something to bite on here. I put this piece of angle iron in here. It's torquing some, but as you can see, it is going down. But again, for some reason, these old ball joints, whether they're factory or not, I don't know, the flange came all the way to the outside. There was nothing for this to bite onto, to press on. So it's the only thing I can come up with. The other side took me 4.5 hours last weekend, but this one's not taking as long because I now know what the issue is. But anyway, I thought I'd give you a quick video on if you run into this problem. That's one possible fix for you. Now I just got to press it out the rest of the way and then press the new one in. But again, for some reason, this flange on my old ball joint came all the way out to the edge. So I cut a piece of the old one off, just to reiterate, and that gave me something to bite on here. And so far it's working. It's moving, it's going down, so it's just a matter of time. But just wanted a quick video. Hopefully it helps somebody. See ya. So it's working. It's coming out a lot easier this way than last week. Last week was a nightmare on the other side, but I guess once you figure out what's going on, it's not so bad the second time go around. I'll show some video or pictures of the original when I get it out, and you have a better visual of what I meant by how I cut a piece of it out to make it work. Alright, so here we go. It came out in just a couple minutes once I got everything figured out. But you can see where I cut it off. And if you look at the new one here, it looks like I didn't measure it, but I can see visually that the old one is bigger around. And by that flange coming out to this edge here, there was nothing for this to bite onto. Now this new one goes in a lot easier because it's a little bit smaller. But again, if you run into the problem, just cut a piece of that off and put a piece of angle in there and boom, you're done. Appreciate it. Talk to you guys later.